Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is chineloscorner. Yes guys, I'm in Ondo right now. Yes guys, I'm sorry I couldn't update you with the vlog when I was on my way here because there was a lot of panic, which I will update you with soonest. So guys, happy new year to you. This is the 1st of January, and yes, we're celebrating. Happy new year to you, my subscribers. Happy new year to you. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. A big welcome to you. And please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like and share. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you. A big thank you for always being there. And as you can see, I have my nephew there waving you. Come and say hi to them. Come and say hi to them. The lights, come. Say hi. Remove your shirt from your mouth. You did this thing before. Say hi.
Hi.
Say happy new year to you.
Happy new year to you.
Yes. Say thank you for subscribing to chineloscorner.
Thank you for subscribing to me.
Yes, thank you very much. You have done well. Yes, my niece Flourish. Say hi.
Hi.
Say happy new year to you all.
Happy new year to you.
Yes, that's my niece Flourish, my sister's daughter. Yeah, she's the mother of two. Yeah, come and say hi. Come and say hi. Hi. That's my sister. She's the mother of Delight and Flourish. As you can see, she still looks sexy. Yes. Say happy new year to them. Come and say happy new year to them. Say thank you to them. To my subscribers.
Thank you for subscribing to Chinelo's channel. God bless you all. Hi.
Okay, that's my mommy. Mommy, come and say hi. Come and say hi. They are not seeing your face. Bring your face. Yes, say happy new year. My Jesus. That's my brother out there. Come and say hi. Come and say hi.
I love you, baby. Happy New Year.
Mary, come and say hi. Say happy new year to my subscribers. Come and say happy new year to my subscribers. Mary, come.
Happy New Year.
Tell them thank you for subscribing to Chinelo's
channel.
Yeah.
Keep subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Love you.
Thank you, Mary. So guys, yes, we are preparing fried rice. Yes, we're preparing fried rice, and guess what we are using? We are using goats. We killed before one goat. Yes, guys, before one goat and one giant chicken. That's what we're using to make this fried rice. So guys, I'll update you. And guys, my sister that is making it, so she's the one cooking today, so she will show us her own style of making fried rice. So guys, I'll just update you. I'm here assisting, and I'm ready to do justice to this food. And guys, from what I've tasted from the rice that is cooking, this rice is delicious. It's still cooking though. You know, when you add all the right ingredients to the food that you're cooking, you know how it tastes. Even when it has not done yet, you know how it tastes. So I've tasted it, and I'm expecting. I'm already salivating, and my mouth is already watching for this food. So I'm here eager to eat this food, guys. I'll update you. So with time, I'll let you know and see the surrounding. We still have a lot to cook. I just want her to show you her own method of cooking. So this time around, it's her own time. And guys, see, we are in this particular house. It's a new house, and we are here to celebrate it, even though it's not completed yet. Guys, you know it's to pay for rent. If you build your own, anyhow you build them, it's okay. So as it is right now, we are still on it, but guys, we are celebrating it. For them to enter their own house before in this new year, no more talking of rent. Guys, we have to give God time, and we are thanking God. Yes, we are thanking God. So guys, that's it. That's why we are here. We are celebrating our new house. Yes, now our own. It's my sister's own and my own. So we are celebrating, guys. I'll update you more later. So guys, join me. Bye.
Now your mind don't tell you, Abi. Your mind don't enter. Hunger. Okay, never forgive and grass today. I good like that. But if you get poor and I go to struggle with you.
Guys, after cutting the chicken into pieces, this is what we got. As you can see, like I said, it's a very giant one. Yeah, it's many. So we just go over to wash and then put it in the pot, add the seasoning, the required seasoning, and leave it to come to a good boil before going over to fry it. Okay guys, let's get to know what we are using to make our fried rice. Here we have vegetable oil, then I have spices, then guys we have seasoning. Here we have chicken seasoning, both are chicken seasoning, then peas and baked beans, then here is our turmeric for color, then onion, then guys we have fresh pepper, unripe fresh pepper. Here it has been blended, not too smooth. Then guys I have peas, also it's a pea, ordinary one. Then I have spring onion. I have cabbage for our salad, cucumber also for salad, green beans for the fried rice, carrot which will be divided for both the fried rice and salad. Here it has been sliced. We have cabbage, cucumber and carrots there, onion, and here we are already cooking and adding our spices. Then we add our turmeric already blended. Then we have to stir in order to mix the ones we've added properly. So guys, we'll be adding our liver. Yeah, I forgot to show you that we have liver from our goat meat and our chicken. Yeah, our seasoning is going in. Like I said, we have both seasoning as chicken seasoning. Salt for taste. Our rice is going in right now, guys. So this rice has been properly washed with warm water and will allow it to cook in this meat stock. Here these are peas, carrots, green pepper. So we're going to add peas here, a few of the peas, just little from the canned peas. Then add a little bit of spices. Then we're going to pour it into the rice because the rice is ready right now. So this is how we mix up everything and we got our fried rice. Guys, everybody with their method, but this is our own method. And yes, our fried rice is ready and it's really looking beautiful. So guys, let's do justice to this nice looking fried rice. So guys, this is our chicken after it has been fried. We have our goat meat at the left hand side and this at the right hand we have our chicken, and here
is our fried rice, looking beautiful and inviting, and also with the chicken, it's really inviting, guys. So that's our meal for the New Year celebration. These are fried rice for the New Year celebration. So guys, let me go on and do justice to this beautiful, inviting rice. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Happy New Year to you all.